Hey everyone, look at this absolutely beautiful fennel. This is like wild fennel. It tastes a bit like licorice. It's a gift from the gods, gift from source, infinite spirit. And the new shoots are so tender. I'm going to juice some of this later and eat some now. And it's so tasty. I'm going to have a little bit now. Oh my god, it's so flavorful. Any aromatic herbs like rosemary, lavender, coriander, thyme, fennel, all of these typical like condiments that are so tasty. Chives, they're all the best fresh. I can't recommend this plant enough. It's so beautiful and delicious. It's what a gift from infinite spirit source. Thank you, beautiful, delicious plant. This plant has a gorgeous consciousness. It's a living being, you know. So grateful to have this opportunity to share me and my mum for later and take some home for juicing. So if you like this video, give it a like and a share, everyone, and subscribe for any future videos on herbs, wild greens, foraging, wild edibles. Have a look at my playlist on my wall. Lots of stuff about various things like detoxing, calisthenics, healing, replenishing, building the body, and just enjoying nature and appreciating the gift of the outdoors and the human body, and building and sculpting and creating the health, physique and body that we wish to have. And it's all possible, it's all more than doable. We just need to learn and focus and get inspired and enjoy all the bountiful gifts of nature. And I'm just touching this beautiful plant. So hope you enjoy, everyone, and